Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fine. Um, I would like to share the information regarding the IPO. IPO means initial public offering, but this is one of the um, common and mostly term you hear when you are in investment or you wanted to know what is um, the the area actually used that IPO. That's I going to simplify for all kind of professional people, not only for finance and accounting field. It's needed for everyone. Then you can invest the money and what is the purpose, what is the term used for in the financial market, especially in the capital market. That's I going to simplify for that. So I briefly describe about my portfolio. I'm an academia, I'm a finance expert, I'm finance professor. I'm teaching to accounting, finance, managerial accounting. Also, beside, I had 8 years experience from the industry as a working accountant, financial controller, internal controller, and different position in Denmark. And my academic background, I have a 2 master degree in also accounting, finance from the different part of the world. Also, my bachelor, I have done several courses. So my circle of competence and skill, especially in that field. So this is the channel actually mostly simplify the knowledge and information to all kind of professional people. Then that can financially literate and um, financially knowledgeable, and it will be implemented in their life. So remember that is a strong disclaimer. This is completely for knowledge sharing purpose and information purpose. Before make a decision, you have to make your due diligence. And the one point I try to point out here also, I got the statistics from the YouTube that 90% people are you guys hearing and watching this video, but uh, not subscribe that. Please, I recommend you take only few seconds to subscribe, and along the way you can get a lot of information related to the personal finance and financial related topics and personal finance, also investment opportunity, capital market opportunity, housing opportunity, the investment for your child opportunity, so on and so on. Please subscribe and like or put some constructive criticism or feedback. It's really welcome for that. Okay, back to the topics. What I would like to simplify today is IPO. It's called initial public offering. Most of all, before jumping these topics, you have to know what is the business structure in every country. You know, every country you have some private company, maybe it's the single ownership company or partnership, maybe more than one, more than 2 to 10 or 20 or 50, so it's called partnership company. And there are also some of them called limited company. Under the limited is a private limited, also public limited. So the IPO is mostly used for public limited company. So it means initial public company. When any private or private limited company want to transfer to the public limited company, they have to fulfill lot of uh, rules and regulation um, controlled by the IFRS. Is called initial International Financial Reporting Standards, or aligned with GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle. And they will be qualified that they are ready to go to selling the share to the public. So that's called IPO, initial public offering to the public, and public will buy this share, and the public will be the shareholder of this particular company. It means the shareholder means they are the owner of this company. So through this process, the share through this process is called IPO. IPO means this is the proposed private limited company that declared to go to the private limited company, consists of certain amount of share, and this is the process is called IPO. and public can buy and they become a shareholder, and there will be share of the company. They are the owner of the company, and they are have a chance to give a vote in the management, some position also that can uh, get a part of the profit from this particular company. Why company going to the public? Because in the company raise money from the public, so they have to go this process, so they have to be approved by the SEC. It's called Security and Exchange Commission. When you see the SEC is everywhere, you have some kind of institution exists in your country. It's called SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. And Security and Exchange Commission, that will be check the company's background, and they are in the private limited company, and the checking they are fulfilling all these criteria, then the will approve to go to the public. And when company get a signal, the go to the public through the process of IPO. So this is called IPO. So company going to the public for some reason, I already pointed one, raise money for. Also maybe the company have a debt that want to pay back, or the one company wanted to plan for expand their business, or they have some ambitious plan, or they want to increase their liquidity. Liquidity means the cash, in the public buying the share, the company receiving more cash. So the company have a more liquid money, and when the company have a liquid money, that can fulfill their goal and objective what actually needed money. And also the want to brand, increase their brand, in company go to the public, is image and interest will getting increase. Also maybe company have a plan for research and development, or that company need a money, so on and so on. So it's not like any fix, but the framework is that the objective behind that, company needed money, and company asking the money from the public through the IPO. So this is called IPO, initial public offering, and this is mostly used for the capital market. In the financial market, when someone have an investor, they always see recently the SpaceX, they came to the IPO, and they already in the secondary market. It means secondary market, they are ready to trading. It's a primary market. When the company are public private limited company, it means until the IPO is the primary market. When it is approved and go to the public, then it start like secondary market and is ready to trading. So in the stock market, it's always ups and downs. So this is the process for IPO. I hope it's helpful for every kind of professional people who actually doesn't have a financial background, accounting background, but even though they have an investment in the financial market, in the capital market. I know there are a lot of people, they invest a lot of money in the capital market. So they need to know what is the IPO, what is the logic to this term and condition to using that word. I hope it's impactful. I hope you learned something from that. If you like it, or you have any comment, and please, I recommend you subscribe and follow this channel. There are more video coming related to that, also related to the capital market, related to the personal finance, housing agreement, investment opportunity, and also there are a lot of other video I already published in my channel. So follow this channel. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Yeah, and take care. Bye.